Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore reporting with Power BI from HubSpot step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the reports dashboard in HubSpot. Identify the specific data you want to export for Power BI reporting. Export the required data from HubSpot in CSV format. Open Power BI desktop on your computer. Click on the Home tab in Power BI. Select Get Data from the toolbar. Choose Text/CSV from the options provided. Locate the CSV file you exported from HubSpot and click Open. Power BI will analyze the file and display a preview. Click the Load button to import the data into Power BI. Once the data is loaded, go to the Data view in Power BI. Check the imported data for accuracy and completeness. Navigate to the Model view to create relationships between different data tables. If needed, import additional data sources relevant to your analysis. To create visualizations, switch to the Report view. Drag and drop fields onto the report canvas to create charts and graphs. Customize your visuals by adjusting properties in the formatting pane. Set up slicers to allow for interactive filtering of data. Once your report is complete, click on File in the top left corner. Select Publish to share your report to the Power BI service. Follow the prompts to log into your Power BI online account. Choose the appropriate workspace for your report. After publishing, navigate to Power BI Online to review your report. Set up scheduled refresh if needed to keep your data current. Now your HubSpot reporting is successfully restored in Power BI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.